Gentlemen, let's be honest with each other for a moment. There is a story out there, society tells it, movies tell it, maybe even your friends, that says if you want to attract a younger, vibrant woman, you need to be rich, famous, or look like you're 25 again. Because of that, I see many good men, men with history and character, twisting themselves into knots, trying to compete with men half their age. Here is the truth: younger women are not repelled by your age. Biology often draws women to the stability, wisdom, and emotional control that only comes with age. That is your advantage. However, they are repelled by how you carry that age. It is not your wrinkles, gray hair, or birth year that kills attraction. It is a set of behaviors, 7 habits that signal insecurity. These behaviors say, I don't feel good enough. That destroys attraction before it begins. I'm Dr. Narita. I have spent the last 12 years working in men's health and psychology. I have seen thousands of men in their 40s, 50s, 60s, and beyond who have everything going for them, yet self-sabotage their relationships because of these hidden mistakes. In this video, we are not talking about pickup lines or manipulation. We are talking about the psychology of dignity. We will break down the 7 habits that silently kill respect and show you how to replace them with grounded stoic presence that is universally attractive. If you are ready to stop performing and start attracting, this is for you. Before we start, hit subscribe if you value content that respects your intelligence and experience. Drop a comment below. I want to know where in the world you are watching from. Let's dive into the psychology of attraction. Attraction is a signal, a language your nervous system sends to hers. When a woman interacts with a man, especially an older man, her subconscious asks, is he safe? I don't mean physically, I mean emotionally. Is he comfortable in his own skin, or is he anxious, performing, and seeking validation? If you are comfortable with who you are, you signal safety and strength. If you are trying to hide or impress, you signal instability. Women notice inauthenticity immediately. If you try to be something you are not, she feels it. Attraction disappears. Ask yourself as we go through these habits, am I acting out of strength or fear? Habit number 1 is common but damaging: putting her on a pedestal. You meet a younger woman. She is beautiful and vibrant. Subconsciously, you think, she's out of my league. I can't mess this up. You start shrinking. You soften your opinions. You agree with everything. You laugh too hard at jokes. You treat her like a celebrity and yourself like a fan. Biologically, this spikes cortisol. You signal, I am lower status. Emotionally, she does not want to be your idol. She wants a partner. Looking up at her forces her to look down on you. Polarity and mystery vanish, practically over-apologizing, asking permission to speak, buying affection with compliments. The fix: normalize her. She is human with insecurities and flaws. Treat her as an equal. Real confidence is the absence of panic. Speak your truth without needing her agreement. That builds attraction. Habit number 2, being insecure about your age. She asks, how old are you? Many men hesitate or make jokes. I'm ancient, or don't ask. Biologically, hesitation signals that you see your age as a defect. Shame lowers serotonin and affects posture, voice, and expression. Emotionally, your age is proof of life experience, wisdom, and survival. Apologizing discards your most valuable asset. Practically, state your age confidently. I'm 56. No explanation, no apology. This signals strength and self-acceptance. Habit number 3, leading with money or status. Bragging about your car, trips, or watch turns you into a resource, not a mate. Biologically, you bypass emotional connection and engage the logical brain. Resources are useful but not sexy. Emotionally, women attracted to money may not value who you are. Practically, let success be background radiation. Lead with curiosity, humor, and perspective. Let her discover your achievements. Habit number 4, acting like a mentor instead of a partner. You lecture, give advice, and explain at length. Biologically creates a parent-child dynamic. She feels like she's talking to her dad or professor. Emotionally, you avoid vulnerability. Connection requires a two-way street. Practically, listen more than you lecture. Ask about her feelings. Be playful. Save wisdom for moments paired with warmth. Habit number 5, trying too hard to look young. Skinny jeans, slang, dyed hair biologically creates an uncanny valley effect. Signals discomfort with your reality. Emotionally signals, I am not enough as I am. Practically, dress sharp and age appropriate. Tailored clothing, classic style. Own your gray. Look like a man, not a boy. Habit number 6, turning conversation into a resume. Talking only about past achievements disengages her. Biologically, you feel dopamine, but attraction builds with oxytocin. Bonding occurs when she feels heard. Emotionally, talking about your past removes you from the present. Practically listen 80%, speak 20%, ask meaningful questions, make her feel interesting. Presence matters more than history. Habit number 7, neglecting your physical presence. Not a six-pack, letting yourself go. Poor grooming, posture, hygiene. Biologically signals genetic decline. Lack of self-respect shows. Emotionally, self-care signals vitality. Proper grooming, fit clothing, posture all make you attractive. Practically upgrade grooming, posture, and clothing. Look polished. Show that you care. Fix these habits with the Stoic Presence Protocol. Acceptance. Accept the man in the mirror. Stop fighting the gray and the lines. Silence. Be comfortable in silence. Strength shows without words. Engagement. Be present and interested in the person in front of you. Refinement. Upgrade one physical detail today. Haircut, cologne, or clothing. Many feel their best days are behind them. They are wrong. Age brings clarity, calm, and gravitas. Younger men cannot compete with that. Stand firm. Walk with dignity. You are entering the prime of the king. Identify which habit you struggle with. Pick one. Stop it today. Notice how people react. Notice the energy shift. Lead with presence. Hit like if this resonated. Subscribe for more on men's wellness and psychology. Comment, I am done apologizing. I'm Dr. Narita. Stay grounded, stay strong. Your vitality is a choice.